Adding custom rules from scratch. Rules are searches discovering network anomalies or security threats based on specific context and conditions. You can create rules in one of two ways: from scratch or from a template that is built into the system. Let's create a rule to detect DDoS attacks based on some NetFlow attributes. First, you need to configure general settings for your custom rule: active rule type, name, tags, description, score, MITRE tactic, technique, and sub-technique. Then, configure the data stream. Now, configure settings in the Time and Input Filters tab. Configure values, that is, metrics used by a rule. Configure categories, fields by which query results are aggregated. Continue configuring settings in the following tabs: Configure Sorting and Limit tabs. Configure settings in the Schedule tab, that is, interval, throttling in minutes, and indexed fields. Now you need to configure thresholds. To add a threshold, click on Add Condition. Choose the value: count sessions, some bytes, or unique client IPs. Then, choose a threshold type. The static type uses absolute conditions, that is, numerical values. The reference type uses relative conditions, that is, comparison to a configured baseline. We will be using the static setting. After that, enter values for critical, major, and minor thresholds. We are going to set up 3 alerts. Configured thresholds are lowered in this example to show a preview of exceedances on the current traffic. Now we will configure actions. In the type column, you will find the following options: index, writing to the Sycope database in the alert stream; mail, sending an email to a configured recipient; SNMP trap receiver, sending an SNMP trap; syslog, sending logs to external system via syslog; third party, execution of actions in an external system. After you pick an action type, change threshold levels and custom field settings to your needs. After you finish customizing the Action tab, go to Privacy. There you will find 3 privacy options. Private, only the creator can view this item. Public, anyone in your organization can view this item. Anyone can also delete or edit this item. Shared, only users with specific roles have access to this item. Click the Create button. Now our custom rule is done.